Good day, grade 12 learners. Welcome to today's business studies lesson. Today we will be looking into your quality of performance, and the focus area will be on quality concepts. Now, did you know, according to Mastercard study, 68% of SA consumers are shopping more online since the start of COVID-19 pandemic. According to BizTech, quality products matter to 56% of consumers buying online. That is the information. And here we will be talking about the quality performance of each business and what they should do to achieve the quality of performance. Lesson objectives. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to define the following concepts. The first one is quality. What do we mean by the term quality? You should know that. We will further look into the term quality control to say what do we mean by that. Then we will also look into quality assurance and look into quality management. Then we will look into quality performance. Then what follows is the difference between now quality control and quality assurance. Then we also look into differentiating between quality management and quality performance. Thereafter, we discuss the benefits of a good quality management system. Our concept map. This is how our lesson is going to be structured. We will start by looking into the quality concepts. Thereafter, we define what each quality concept means. Thereafter, we look into the benefits of a good quality management system, which is basically to say if a business implements the quality concept, then they will achieve the state of having a good quality management system. Pre-knowledge. This is what you covered in your previous grades. You should know methods that indicate the quality of a product. To say what is a quality product, how do you see a quality product? And this is basically perceptions that also consumers do have about what a quality product should have. And then these methods include ideas that a product should have, for instance, a trademark, and the business should offer samples to consumers for them to confirm and give consumers confidence to say the product is quality. So it becomes very key that the product should have a trademark and a product should also have a sample. But remember, this is a build-up to our lesson, which will be talking about the quality of performance, to say how does the business build towards quality. Then we have a pre-knowledge practice. This is now a previous question that was assessed in your previous grade. For instance, here you are expected to identify methods used by Supremo Mining Ltd to indicate quality. To say this business, what do they use to indicate that they are producing quality? Supremo Mining Ltd uses special signs and marks on their products. They offer testers of maize meal to consumers in order for the consumers to test the quality of their product. So which two methods are being applied by Supremo Mining Ltd there? And I will provide the solutions to you. When you see the term now special signs and marks, you should be having one solution into your mind. And the solution is your trademark. Your trademark is a special sign that each and every business should be having for their product to indicate the quality and the uniqueness of their product. And then when you look into your second statement, they offer testers. They offer testers of maize meal to consumers to test the quality of their product. So this is to say, before you sell, before you attract customers, give them a sample. So the answer there is supposed to be sample, so that you give your customers confidence to say your product is quality. Then, new words and language that we will be using for the lesson. The first terminology is the term quality. What do we mean by that? It refers to a product, or services that satisfies needs and exceeds customer expectations on a continuous basis. So a quality product should be able to satisfy the need and exceed customer expectation. Moreover, we have the term management, which focuses on the planning and management of quality through strong leadership and commitment from the top management. That is management. So management is basically the top level in the business, which has a role to play in terms of making sure that they plan and they make sure that quality is consistent in the organization. Then we have the term inspection, which is very key for our lesson as well. What do we mean by the term inspection? This is a method in which only a selection of a product from a batch is measured and tested against the required standards. So this is basically the process of checking if the product that was produced has met the required standards or if the product is quality or not. Hence, we talk about the required standards to say in each and every product there are required standards. So the business would be checking if those standards have been met. So that's what we mean by the term inspection. Then standards, what do we mean by that? This refers to the specifications that indicate what is acceptable in terms of technical requirements. So that is what we mean by standards, and standards would be included for each and every product. So those are our new words and languages. So let us take a short break before we can start with our main focus in the lesson. Thank you.